In order to produce the specialist custom-made contact lenses, Ennovy operates state-of-the-art manufacturing sites in both Madrid and the UK.
Here in Madrid, we are manufacturing lathe lenses, which are made again for one specific wearer. We process them against one specific order. And in Romsey, we manufacture against stock, and those are molded lenses.
In Romsey, they work with molding process. The molding process is very good for lots of lenses, very similar to one another, so you do large batches. 10,000 lenses you could make in a single batch if you wanted. You could almost imagine you've got an input and an output. So at one end you put in the raw material, which is essentially the monomer, and you put in the molding product, which is a polypropylene. And now at the other end you get your final lens. It's a little bit simplified, but it's essentially a big black box that you put all your raw materials into one end, and the other end you get out your final product. In Madrid, we've got lots and lots of steps. We've got many operations to do on each lens. It's very complex.
The complexity of manufacturing custom-made lenses is essential to the quality of the lens and can only be achieved by using state-of-the-art precision lathes.
We do about 3,000 lenses a day. We have 12 Optiform 40s that do that. We have 7 posts in QC, people working full-time, round the clock. We work 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. We set up the lathes, we do the process checks, we validate, make sure that all the lathes are correct. We use their interferometer to ensure that we've got the right parameter. And then we set off. We run the lenses. It takes about 1.5 minutes for a base curve, about 1.5 minutes for the front curve as well, and away we go.